Turnitin, creating classes and adding students. Creating a class is simple enough. Consider who will be marking your submissions first. I'll explain. Click Add Class. In the class settings, choose a class type as either Standard or Master. Give your class a clear name. This is for your students' benefit as well. You'll need to make up a basic enrollment or TA key. You may not need to use it. Then need to select the subject area and level. The class start date is built from when you create the class. And when you create your class end date, consider any examiners or verifiers in the summer. They'll still need to see this. And click Submit. It confirms the details, and you may wish to jot these down. And from here, I can also create a section. Okay, so these are where I can attach different tutors to different units, maybe. And in Turnitin, these are known as TAs. So for now, I am going to add my own details in, so I don't need to add another tutor, but I need to add somebody. Just confirm my details. And I click Submit. And the next page then says, what's this section going to be called? Okay, so I can give that a name. And then I have to give it an enrollment key, but again, I may not use this. It confirms the details again, as before. If I was creating a standard class, I wouldn't get the option for sections. A standard class is just one tutor, one person marking. And the idea to having a master class is that it allows the main tutor creating it to see everything, and if necessarily the different tutors delivering different units and marking those units to be in their different sections. If there are more than 2 people involved, like with some higher education courses, then you may request a guest login, and that guest login can be the TA or the one that gets attached to the sections, and that means that different people can share that login to anonymous marking as required. Now to add the students, if I go into let's place a masterclass, I can see the Students tab. And I get the option to add students in individually, by bulk. I can also email all my students. And if we just have a quick look at this, so to add a student, it'll say which section am I adding them to. So it says only one in this instance. I have to put in their first name, their last name, and their student email address, and that becomes their username. Let's go back again. It also gives some basic instructions about adding a class list in bulk. Now you can ask your campus LRC and they'll make a student list using EBS data. It needs to be the student first name, last name, and using the student ID we can then use a quick formula to turn that into the email address and send that accordingly. Again, that's what you need to know about making a basic class and adding students.